Prime Minister, the Honorable Philip Brave Davis, gave his congratulations on the restoration of the iconic Queen's Staircase.
I commend the Nassau Paradise Island Promotion Board for getting the ball rolling with their sizable investment into the tangible cultural heritage of the Bahamas. So I look forward to more private sector entities playing a part in the restoration and upkeep of the heritage sites throughout our shared archipelago. As a nation blessed with a storied past, we stand to gain so much from a new era of heritage tourism. Here we have the 66 steps, but I can easily name 66 more historical sites on the island of New Providence alone. Let us celebrate and safeguard them all. Let us show our pride by keeping them clean.
Director General of the Ministry of Tourism, Mrs. Latia Duncombe, spoke to the renovations made at the historic site.
This special moment in time will relate a delightful story, painting vivid imageries of the restored features, the rejuvenated waterfalls, the installation of the state-of-the-art solar LED lighting within the water feature, and the enhancement of the lighting systems in the Queen's Staircase and walkways. Indeed, it's the collaborative efforts of you, our loyal stakeholders. Your common vision and focused efforts have made it possible for us to come together and commemorate this grand occasion, the revitalization of one of Nassau's most renowned historic treasures.
For more tourism updates, visit Tourism Today or Bahamas.com. I'm Joshua Robbins, and this is Tourism Today.